you're out of your mind if you think I'm babysitting again.
Okay, first of all, they're not babies anymore. And Max is in real danger. She needs people around her.
I know, but why does it always have to be me?
Did you have something to do with this?
I want to help.
All right, it's been long enough.
Steve, just give her some time.
I have, all right, Sinclair? I'm calling it. She wants to get a lawyer if she can.
Are you winking, Steve? Stop.
Hey, Dingus, your children are here.
Again? Seriously?
You know, I could be around for your senior year. Just look after you a little bit, make sure you don't forget about those pretty faces.
Be careful. I swear, if anybody hears about this, we're dead.
What's up? Hope you guys are in good shape. Looking at you, roast beef.
No, listen, I messed up. Okay, I messed up.
Okay, really, please. Try to make things right.
Whoa, what's going on?
I told you he'd freak out.
Stop the car!
I know you promised Nance that you would keep us safe. So keep us safe.
Stay here. I heard you guys talking all night. Yeah, we were trying to figure out a way to open up the door while you children were sleeping.
It's my brother. He can't run here. He'll kill me. He'll kill us. Hey, what you did, helping the kids, that was really cool.
From here on out, I'm leading the way. Come on, let's go.
Dead. No.
You are.
Help! Steve! Mike! Everybody back! Everybody back!
It's me! Jesus, what's wrong with you, Sinclair?
I'm sorry.
I could have taken you out with this lamp! It's okay. It's okay.
Hey, what? Come on. You look great, okay? You look great, okay?
Dustin! 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 Can you hear me?
Steve, what are you doing?
Somebody's gotta go down there and check this thing out. It's gotta be me. No complaints, all right?
Come on! Go! Just get out of here! No, come on now! No! Just go get them out! Come here! What are you doing? Oh! Always the babysitter. Always the goddamn babysitter.
Where are you going?
Get them the hell out of there!
Guess I got a little jealous, Steve. I guess I can accept the fact that Steve Harrington is actually a good dude.
Steve, where are you going? Stop whining. Let's go. Come on. Trust me.
Maybe a pretty shitty boyfriend, but turns out I'm actually a pretty damn good babysitter.